In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete lines in AutoCAD quickly and easily using two simple methods. Whether you just want to remove one line or clean up several lines in your drawing, this guide will help you do it in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Once your file is open, zoom in if needed so you can clearly see the line or lines you want to remove. Now click on the line you want to delete. If you want to select more than one line, hold down Shift or use a selection window to highlight all the lines you want gone. After selecting the line or lines, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. This is the fastest method, and AutoCAD will immediately remove the selected objects from your drawing. If that line disappears, you've done it correctly. Now let's go over the alternative method, which is especially useful if you prefer using AutoCAD commands. Type Erase into the command line and press Enter. This tells AutoCAD that you want to delete objects from the drawing. Next, select the line or lines you want to erase. You can click them one by one or drag a selection box around multiple objects if you want to delete several at once. Once you've made your selection, press Enter again to confirm the command. AutoCAD will then erase the selected lines from your workspace. This method is very handy because it gives you a little more control, especially when you're cleaning up complex drawings, and that's really all there is to it. You now know two easy ways to delete lines in AutoCAD, using the Delete key or using the Erase command. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.